After changing the water pump on the A4, I was really not impressed with the color of the water. It was kind of really orange and had very small particles inside of it, which I typically believe is rust. So I thought about taking this opportunity to do a proper radiator flush and making a small tutorial for you guys to show you how you can do it effectively at home. So let's start with step number 1. So basically in this step we are going to add a radiator flush to the car. Please note that your car has to be cold when opening the coolant lid. So we're going to open it so long. That's one heck of a lid. Okay, and yeah, make sure it cools down properly, guys. Do what we say, don't do what we do. And then we're gonna add the radiator flush. Don't forget to squeeze out the last bit. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna place the coolant lid back on, and we're gonna go and drive the car for about 10 minutes, or let's say plus minus 10 kilometers. So this is just gonna allow the water to circulate through the entire water system, and it's gonna clean out everything. Oh, I was just about to say, what are you praying for? Okay, so we are at the next stage now. We actually came outside, as you guys can see. We're lazy and there's like a drain here. So we're actually gonna go underneath the car. I do not know if I'll be able to show you. Let's quickly try. There's actually a clip. As you guys can see, we have already cracked it just to make the entire job easier. Right over there. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna open it all the way. Just spray on the camera, it's fine. And we're gonna drain all the water out. Okay, so we didn't think this clearly through. It's spraying over here, but the drain is over there. Oh my gosh. So what we're gonna do now is we still have got the plug open underneath. We're gonna throw warm water. No, we're not gonna throw in cold water. Please don't do it, otherwise, how's your head gonna go? Crack. It's gonna crack. So we're gonna throw in hot water here. So basically the idea is to throw in hot water and just to rinse out what's left inside the car. Okay, so with the tap closed this time, we're gonna add some water again to the system. So what we're basically gonna do is we're just gonna go around the block with this water and just kind of like filter everything out, clean out the entire radiator system, and afterwards we're gonna top it up with antifreeze. So basically all we're doing now is just getting rid of all the airlocks in the water system. We keep on topping it up until max and it drops steadily after a few seconds. So you're going to repeat this process until the water stays stable at max, and then what we're going to do is, like I mentioned before, we're going to take it out to the road. So we are back from our second trip. So what we have done already was we drained the water again. It's basically just to make sure we get out all the radiator flush. So what you're gonna do in this case now is you're gonna top it up with your antifreeze. So this is my G12 antifreeze, as you guys can see. So how the mixture works is you're gonna have a container of about 6.5 liters, because this antifreeze right here, you actually throw the entire bottle in with 5 liters of water. So after it is mixed properly, you can throw it into your coolant system. But once again, just make sure what the specs is on your antifreeze. We are done. I am hungry. Thank you for John at Prabhash for helping me once again with the radiator flush. I actually missed something. I forgot to tell you guys something. So my man over here is going to tell us.
The reason why I didn't see we're putting some antifreeze in the vehicle is because we're going to remove the turbo. There's some issues with the turbo. We're going to recon it and refit it, and then we can put an antifreeze in the cooling system.
Awesome stuff. Not the engine bay, eh? No, I'm kidding. Okay, so technically, as you guys might have noticed, if you have been a subscriber to the channel, after reconning my turbo is actually boosting later than usually, and at high RPMs, I'm actually losing boost. So we are going to send it in like John has mentioned. But anyway, it is it for the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.